The pace of John's Gospel picks up when we get to chapter 18. The previous few chapters have been full of rich, deep teachings of Jesus and a beautiful prayer he offered. But once you turn the page to chapter 18, the tempo increases dramatically. Jesus is arrested late at night in a secret place only his disciples knew about, and then he is taken to be grilled and questioned by the high priest. His disciples are confused and afraid, and most of them run away, but Peter sticks close by, not wanting to leave Jesus in this critical time. So, in this chapter, we see Jesus formally on trial in front of Jewish leaders and the high priest, who are supposed to stand for God's truth. We also see Peter on trial informally, as he is asked 3 times if he is a follower of Jesus. I believe John has some important things to show us through these stories about the times when we will be put on the spot for our truth and our faith. Would you please read John 18, 1 through 27 before we meet? There's a lot to cover in this section, and I look forward to sharing this message with you Sunday. Grace and peace.